Hi everyone, in front of me I've got AGM H6 and let me share with you how to activate automatic software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and here scroll all the way down to find About Phone. Then let's scroll down again and localize build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see the information that you're in the developer mode. Confirm everything with your screen lock and now we can go back. Then let's open the system and open developer options. So here we have to scroll a little bit to find the option automatic system updates and simply tap on the switcher next to it. And from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. Be aware, if you wish to keep this option turned on, you need to keep the developer options turned on also. If you will turn them off just by tapping on the switcher, the automatic system updates will also be turned off. So be aware about that. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.